In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete or erase your own likes on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your Facebook account, and then just tap right here at your profile picture. After that, tap at these three dots next to Edit Profile button, and then you will be taken to your profile settings, where you need to tap at Activity Log. Then at the very top, tap at your activity across Facebook to expand it, and towards the very top of this drop down you can easily find comments and reactions. Just tap right over here at that button to go to all of your comments and reactions across Facebook. In here we can filter it by categories. I recommend you to select likes and reactions to filter just your likes and reactions, and basically that's how we can find our all likes at someone's or our own posts, photos, reels, and so on. And from here we can remove any like just by tapping on it and then selecting unlike. Also, you can multiple unlike posts. In that way, just check mark all the likes you would like to remove and then tap at that remove button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.